Jamaica has always had a vibrant culture of decorating our transportation. But due to government restrictions, we only could take it so far now. But Kenya, Kenya Matatu Nganya Culture is, man, it's on the next level. Beautiful thing. Buses built from scratch. I mean, the interior is next level with Wi-Fi and flat screens. I mean, you know, every year they vote for the number one guy. I mean, it's a really big culture. And from what I've, spoken to the youths and I've gathered, there's a lot of livelihood made from this. So big up to Kenya, man, and big up to Opposite right there. That's the number one bus for 2020-24 right there. Yeah, 2024, my bad. Yeah, man. Enough love to Kenya. Kenya to the world, man. From Jamaica and everybody else. You know what I'm saying? This is y'all thing. Respect.